I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by linking your verified YouTube channel to Google Ads and choosing a campaign objective that fits Shorts, brand awareness, or video views. Once done, create a video campaign and select placements targeting YouTube Shorts. Make sure your creative is vertical 9, 16, under 60 seconds, and the first 3 seconds hook the viewer. Now set a modest daily budget to test, choose target locations and languages, and prepare a clear CTA. This gets your first ad live quickly and measurably. Next, refine who sees your shorts. Layer audience signals, affinity and in-market segments plus custom intent keywords to reach interest-aligned viewers, combine with demographic filters. For bidding, pick a strategy that matches goals, maximize conversions, target CPM or CPV for awareness, and set sensible bid caps. Then focus on creative execution. Run a /B tests with 2-4 variations changing hook, overlay text, and CTA. Once you gather initial metrics, finally optimize based on short horizons. Review 7-14-day view rate, CTR, CPA, watch time, and conversion rate to decide changes. Once you identify winners, scale budget and expand similar audiences, pause creatives or targets that underperform. Make incremental bid adjustments and refresh creatives every 2-4 weeks to avoid fatigue. If an ad stops serving, immediately check policy disapprovals, billing status, placement exclusions, and audience overlap conflicts. Resolving those usually restarts delivery and restores performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.